Hi, I'm Demon and welcome to hell. So, a little bit of forging today. Customer brought in a water tank out of his pressure truck and wants to have a couple of hooks installed. So we've got 4 pieces of 1/2-inch square stock in the forge heating up so I can start the bend, and then I will go over to the table and wrap it in the jig. Big moment. We're going to pull out our bars out of the forge and bend it on our jig. let those hooks cool off, and we'll prep the area on the tank and weld them on. Hook. Still too hot. Yeah, 4 hooks to weld on. A lot of people think of blacksmithing as just really for the artistic and creative side. That seems to be part of the market, but blacksmithing and fundamentals of blacksmithing and working with hot iron are still a part of my trade. In the welding trade, we still need it. It's useful for, well, as you see, making up some hooks. More weld than I need to put on there, but whatever.
Yeah, get your pull, boy. Build 'em up, knock 'em back. You want to clean another day in the jungle. Life keeps rolling. Yeah, open the down, motherfuckers.
Well, that's a wrap. Another good reason for using the forge is I really cut down on my acetylene and oxygen costs. I can just throw it in there and run it off the propane. Right now with inflation, gases costs have doubled for me. Like, I paid $238 for a bottle of acetylene. That's quite a bit. Canadian, and it used to be half that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little repair job. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. This helps me a lot and trying to rebuild and do more filming. Now, I can't always film every job that we do, but we try to film what we can when we can. So thank you for your patience.